How to delete Exness account. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to delete or close your Exness account. Whether you're switching brokers or no longer need your account, I'll show you the whole process. First things first, you need to log into your Exness account and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, then you'll be redirected to your Exness dashboard where you can manage your account settings and more. To delete your account, you need to go to your account profile and click on support or help center option on your dashboard, and you can simply contact them via live chat, email or phone and simply request account deletion. After you've submitted your request, Exness will then process the deletion. They might ask for additional information to verify your account. After that, your account will be deleted and all your data will be removed from Exness and you'll be no longer be able to access your account. Remember, make sure you've withdrawn any remaining funds and cancelled all active positions before you delete your account, as you want to be able to access your funds once the account is closed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.